We kinda out here. Day 23. Raw chicken. Still no sickness. But today we're gonna discuss, do raw chicken makes you, does it give you bitch tits? Raw chicken equals bitch tits? I don't know about that. Literally and metaphorically. Bitch tits are synonym for low T, low testosterone. One of the main reasons. Everything kinda sucks today because men aren't men. Men are doing the man shit. Leading, commanding, knowing what the fuck is up. Just blindly following other people, giving their lives and their family lives, which is one of the main what is the word? Main missions for a man, or one of the number one goal for the man is to lead his own family. And that's what most of the men have not done for a long time. They kinda got those bitch tits. I mean, it's not everybody, obviously, but most men. It is that low T everywhere. And it's a huge topic for a young man in the YouTube and interwebs world. Young men are so interested in this alpha, beta, sigma male, blue pill, red pill, black pill. What you have to understand is how human nature works, how we as a human beings work. When you truly understand that, you understand testosterone also. What makes it high? What makes it low? What makes you grow bitch tits? And obviously genetics, your bloodline. That's important, but that's hugely affected by nutrition also. Like what did your parents, your grandparents, and so on ate and lived their lives. But hey, you watching this and me, we can't do anything about that anymore. We can only try some raw chicken maybe, or some raw beef with that fat on. We can only try different things as an adult, do the best we can with the cards we are dealt with. But nutrition, it is the most easily affectable and probably the most important thing we can affect ourselves. And I kinda, with my experiments over the years, I've seen the both sides. I had some bitch tits going on. Maybe I have, even to this day some days. But when I was a vegan, I can even see it in my face. When I look back at the big pictures I have of myself on that era, you can see the lower T. And now, been eating a lot of meat, you can see the higher T. Obviously, that's only by looking at yourself. But what's more important is how you feel. How you feel inside. That's how you know the true nature of things. Introspection. I can say raw chicken, at least it's kinda alright for. It's good. It gives you a nice little boost, and I have not experienced any negatives, low T vibes. I would say beef, for me at least, especially when you get a little bit more fat, you get a little bit more oomph. Beef stronger animal than chicken, maybe that's the reason. But there's nothing wrong with the chicken also. But anyways, nutrition, so important. Some of the things I think are the signs, like the inner signs of high testosterone, is this calmness. You are very calm, but very calculated at the same time. Like, you don't let your emotions run wild. You are this calm, calculated killer also. Like, you could kill if you had to. But you don't really want to. You're just very calm. And when I see the tribe, I'm really interested by watching the tribe folk. Like Maasai or other tribes. When you see those men, they seem so naturally calm. Their nerves are so like balanced. It's incredible. And animal-based foods, at least for me, they give me the most balanced, calm state of being. Other than that, obviously, you wanna procreate a lot. You get horny. That's the obvious sign of high T. And you got that going on. You wanna do stuff. You have goals. And you just don't take bullshit. Like, if somebody says some bullshit to you, you are not automatically like, okay, I don't want to hurt your feelings. Don't want to let your opinion hurt. Kind of like that. If somebody says some bullshit that you think is bullshit, and maybe actually are bullshit, you are not just gonna be like, I don't want to say something or hurt this person's feelings. But if it affects you, you have some backbone in you, and you're gonna say how you feel. Obviously, you don't wanna maybe bully, or like I said, hurt the other person's feelings. You're gonna say straight up how you feel. I think this is one of the good things of having high testosterone, and why everything sucks, because man didn't back in the days, and even today, and even me sometimes. We'll make mistakes. Man didn't say when something was wrong, they didn't point it out and do something about it. And hey, the elite freaks knows this. That's why they give us the grains, vegetables, things that make bitch tits grow faster. So you can't really blame the man, although we have to take responsibility. We cannot be victims. One of the big mistakes I think many young people that are interested about this do is exercise too much. And I've been extremely active athlete, so I know this also from experience. When you exercise, play sports and that kind of stuff too much, that is a sure way to kill your testosterone also and make you weaker. Most of the time it's for nothing. It's one big cope. And if a lot of activity would make your testosterone higher, that like it's the current zeitgeist in the internet. Everybody says exercise is extremely healthy, and for men especially makes their testosterone higher. But why are so many starting to use steroids, TRT, if just exercising would make them the naturally testosterone higher? Why would they have to use steroids then? Because your body needs a shitload of testosterone when you work out, and it uses the testosterone to rebuild the body. There's nothing left anymore after that if you kill yourself at the gym. That's why all of the best athletes and so many young people use steroids and TRT. But the bad thing is, it destroys your natural ability to make testosterone. So it's a huge mistake. Massive cope for most. If you are this athlete that can make millions of dollars, then do it. I would do it in that situation maybe. Or maybe not. Because I got some backbone up in these. But I don't know. So chill about the exercise. Focus on the nutrition. Like you need a lot of sleep, rest to make your testosterone higher. A lot of sunlight seems to do the trick. But anyways, it's a long video already. But it's an important topic for men, boys out there. And our whole society. If the man would wake up and start feeling like man again, we could turn this shit around, I would say. But the thing is, we would need most of the men to do that. And high testosterone can also make men very impulsive. And that might not be good. Most of the things really come down to your biochemical state of being. What makes some high testosterone men so impulsive? Because those tribe folk and some high testosterone men are extremely calm. Is that the natural high T state? Or is it the very impulsive? Don't give a fuck so you can have the boat in balance. You have to have the rational mind behind the high tea to control it. Anyways, that's it. Raw chicken. No beach dish yet here. We got only muscle. But who even cares about the muscle? See ya.